Velas is a blockchain innovation-based organization settled in Switzerland. It is a really counterfeit instinct work DPoS blockchain biological system for interoperable and profoundly versatile exchanges. Velas generally has the quickest Ethereum virtual machine or eBPF half-breed blockchain agreement, permitting up to 75,000 GOT exchanges each second. An exchange affirmation comes extremely close to 1.2 seconds. Besides, Velas used the upsides of blockchain innovation and instruments to in a real sense make a straightforward, open source, local area-driven decentralized biological system. Thus, how about we in every way that really matters? Kick basically off with Velas cost forecast. The fork of Solana with implanted EVM mix mainnet was sent off in 2020. Velas has worked with the arrangement in light of Solana alongside its extra highlights, and it is viable with EVM and guarantees adaptability to the stage. EVM permits Ethereum-based dApps and DeFi conventions to work flawlessly in Velas in a significant way. Likewise, Velas additionally upholds for all aims and purposes shrewd agreements based on the Ethereum blockchain. Velas Opportunity Project is a help for designers. They don't need to take care of end expenses while building the ventures. The ongoing cost of Velas is 23 cents, with a market cap of $541,802,226.67. We should sort of learn considerably more about what will Velas be worth, alongside specialized examination and Velas cost expectation. What is VLX? The local badge of the Velas stage is called VLX. Utility coin especially is primarily utilized in three ways. Right off the bat, for marking. Dealers can stake it and get compensations for block approval, which is genuinely huge. For this situation, Velas utilize designated marking instrument. Stakers can appoint their genuinely token to the favored hub. There is no constraint for designating the stake. Furthermore, every one of the administrations of the Velas stage, pretty like Bitorbit, most certainly are paid utilizing the VLX token. At last, clients can exchange and put resources into VLX tokens like pretty other digital forms of money. The benefits incorporate installments made in VLX tokens that can be traded or sold at the ongoing business sector rate through administrations like Bittrex. HIPTC. Velas is prescribed to store the coin in Velas wallet. What are the benefits of utilizing Velas? Velas permits the client to assemble decentralized applications. Brilliant agreements upheld by and large fast installment affirmation. The expense of exchanges is pitiful in correlation with the rivals in the business. The environment thinks about security, adaptability, and interoperability as the principal concerns. With Velas, purchasers can fabricate an application, run a validator hub, fundamentally coordinate dApps from EVM, coordinate a trade, and accomplice in the award program for contributing items and innovation for the environment's development. To be a piece of the cutthroat race in the blockchain business, Velas has in every way that really matters declared a plenty of new ventures which are exceptionally valuable for the clients. Some of them generally incorporate Velas Pad, Bitorbit, and Velas Record. Velas account involves biometric validation of the client gadget for exchanges and login demands. No requirement for discrete passwords. Velas account gives a 360-degree perspective on associated applications and meetings on all gadgets. Moreover, the point of interaction delivers essentially simple movement from unified to decentralized arrangements. Bitorbit. It is a decentralized web-based entertainment stage for records, visits, and content in a significant way. Content engineers can adapt their work, and adherents can pay for it, and this stays away from the intricacy of mediators association. Velas Vault. Clients can designate the secret phrase security and keys to the division calculation utilizing Velas Vault. The data will be circulated over the organization, and above all, it won't be accessible for any of its members. In the back end, it has different systems to safeguard information security most certainly. In any case, the framework makes the client most certainly liberated from the mindful worries of information security by assuming a sense of ownership with their high-level system. Purchasers will help in the accompanying ways, putting away their advanced resources with various kinds of approvals and getting and putting away passwords from different administrations through Velas Record approvals, which is very huge. VLX specialized examination in a significant manner. The digital money market has returned to a really getting through bullish pattern for the December 7th exchanging meeting after the merciless fall of the earlier week. Other than monetary concerns and money-related guidelines, financial backers began overlooking the worries of the Omicron variation. ETC truly was flooding to $50,000, giving a certainty lift to the crypto market. Youthful financial backers are dashing behind crypto craziness and got significant computerized resources at sort of lower costs. When the market had plunged a week ago, the worldwide cryptographic money market hit $2.37 trillion, unfurling all in all a development amazingly. Absolute crypto market volume has contacted $137.77 billion. Crypto devotees and the crypto business are not prepared to stop for the concern of danger to the macroeconomic and monetary soundness of the countries. The ongoing cost of Velas VLX is 23 cents, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $17,122,663.27. The coin's market capitalization is $541,802,226.67, with a flowing inventory of 2,283,522,550 VLX. The most exorbitant cost at which the coin exchange truly was 57 cents, which is on November 4, 2021. An everything time low was noted at 1 cent on October 16, 2019. Taking a gander at the specialized examination diagram. After Velas cost had been hanging for a very long time, it went through cost activity in November, and costs began to flood, shaping new highs. On November 4, 2021, it really contacted the unsurpassed high in the Velas cost history, which is very critical. After the Velas cost increment on November 4, 2021 shaped a gigantic negative candle on the graph with a sell Velas sign. After the consistent ascent, this has occurred with each token. Financial backers lose revenue in putting and witness a tremendous pullback in Velas cost levels, which is genuinely critical. Subsequent to taking help at half of the rising coin, a somewhat bullish pattern began once more. VLX Coin Value Forecast 2023. Velas fans can in a real sense expect a beginning at a typical cost of 35 cents and a base cost of 31 cents according to our Velas cost gauge. The VLX conjecture foresee the Velas cost will contact 39 cents around mid-year, and the greatest worth expected for the year is 38 cents in an unpretentious manner. By 2023, according to our Velas coin gauge, it will break the record ever kind of high and will be moving to new highs. VLX Crypto Value Expectation 2024. VLX Crypto Conjecture predicting a start of 32 cents in January 2024. Velas cost expectations show it will break 49 cents by July 2024. Velas estimate information indicates that a most extreme anticipated reach will be 40 cents, another expansion for the coin esteem. Crypto darlings can put for medium term in the coin. Velas Value Forecast 2025. In view of our VLX coin figure, Velas future appears to be bullish in 2025. The year will in every way that really matters begin at 58 cents. Velas crypto cost conjecture recommends the worth will arrive at a sort of greatest worth of 53 cents in the year, which is genuinely huge. VLX Cost Forecast 2025 explicitly makes Velas basically merit putting resources into a long time from now. Velas Value Expectation 2026, which is genuinely huge. According to our Velas cost figure, interest in Velas will give critical returns as the cost change will be very sort of high for the year. The most extreme cost is expected to be 45 cents with a normal and least cost of 43 cents and 39 cents individually. Is Velas a wise speculation? Examining information of the different cost estimate framework in 5 years' time span shows an expansion in Velas cost, and it is truly anticipated that it will be a very wise venture for what's to come. According to Velas coin value expectation, financial backers